Hey there, guys, it's JK. I'm doing a video. This is like just a bike check right here. I got a 2011 Miracle Velle. So, yeah, let's just get into this. So what I got first is Black Label seat, which is I like it. It's okay. I like the grip like in the back of it, so if it's going in the air and stuff like that, and you want to grab your seat, you can just grab it right there. Teal KMC chain, which I like it. It's a good chain. Just stock Miracle cranks. They're alright. Here. Black Label pedals. Miracle stem. Stock. Sprocket. Black Label. Back rim. Which I like. It's a nice back rim. And stock brake handles. ODI grips. I can get you guys to see that. Yeah, ODI grips. The stock back tires. Stock front tire. I like these tires, they're pretty good. Stock front rim, teal. Stock forks, stock Miracle handlebar, stock Miracle fork, like I said. Diamondback brake pads in the back, brake arms, whatever you want to call them, right here. Not stock, Diamondback brake, wire thing, and really, I think that's really all this bike. Mainly stock for now. And yes, really, what I'm planning to do, I'm going to put ODI white, like when I get my parts in, I'm going to put white ODI grips, a black stem, white Odyssey plastic PC pedals, another new brake arm in the back. Might get some new tires. I'm not sure if I need any, but yeah. What else is there? I might get a new white pivotal seat, and I'm gonna get maybe I might get a new brake handle. But I like this brake handle. To me, I'm used to it, stuff like that. It's comfortable in my opinion. I don't know about yours. Yours is opinion, but yeah. So really, that's practically the bike. Oh, but the frame, like I already said, 2011 Miracle Velle. It's a good frame. I love it. I like the color of it too. I don't care about what you guys say about it, but I really like the color, and especially when I get some new parts and stuff for it. The white and black, it's gonna make the bike look more sexy and stuff like that. So yeah, that's really it. And I hope you guys enjoy. Peace out.